Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing 5 feature-packed drones designed for beginners, kids, and adventurous adults. Whether you're capturing cinematic aerial shots, flipping through the sky, or streaming live FPV footage, these drones offer intuitive controls, HD cameras, and extended flight times. From GPS-enabled remotes to gesture selfies and gravity sensing, each model brings something unique to the table. Lightweight builds under 250G mean no FAA registration, and foldable designs make them perfect for travel. If you're looking for a fun, portable drone with smart features and reliable performance, this lineup delivers excitement and creativity in every flight. Number 1. Blinary X60 Drone with 2K Camera. Blinary's X60 drone features a 2K HD camera with 90 degrees electric adjustment and 5 GHz FPV transmission for smooth, stable video. With 2 modular batteries, enjoy up to 32 minutes of flight time. Brushless motors deliver quieter, faster, and longer-lasting performance. Beginner-friendly controls include one-key takeoff/landing, headless mode, and dual speed settings. Optical flow hover ensures stable flight, while the Blinary Go app unlocks 360 degrees flips, waypoint fly, gravity control, and gesture selfies. Weighing under 250G, it requires no FAA registration and folds into a compact case for travel. Ideal for kids, beginners, and adults seeking immersive aerial fun. Number 2. Alerals FPV Drone with 1080p camera. Alerals offers a foldable FPV drone with a tiltable 1080p camera and optical flow positioning for stable hover and real-time HD transmission. 2 rechargeable batteries provide up to 28 minutes of flight. Beginner-friendly features include trajectory flight, gravity control, 3D flips, headless mode, and gesture photo. 3 speed modes and 1-key takeoff/landing. Simplify control. Use the JY016 drone app for advanced functions like trajectory flight and remote-free operation. Built-in safety features like overcurrent protection and emergency stop ensure worry-free flying. A great gift for kids and adults, perfect for birthdays, holidays, and creative outdoor adventures. Number 3. Caroisook 2K Auto-Follow GPS Drone. Caroisook's GPS drone features a 4.5-inch HD screen on the remote for real-time footage preview and precise control. Capture vibrant aerial visuals with its HD camera, ideal for content creation and scenic shots. The intelligent controller saves photos and videos directly to an SD card with one-touch operation. Compact and adjustable, it's designed for users of all skill levels. Whether you're filming landscapes or tracking motion, this drone delivers cinema-quality results with GPS stability and professional-grade visuals. A solid choice for creators who want reliable performance and easy access to their footage. Number 4. Loyly X69 Drone with 2K camera. Loyly's X69 drone features a 2K HD camera with 90 degrees remote adjustment for stunning aerial shots. Optical flow positioning and altitude hold ensure stable flight, while gravity sensing and headless mode simplify control. One-touch start/land makes it beginner-friendly. Weighing under 250G and folding to just 5 by 3 by 2 inches, it's perfect for travel. 2 rechargeable batteries offer up to 26 minutes of flight time, with built-in overvoltage protection and low battery alerts. Share panoramic views directly to social media via smartphone. Ideal for outdoor adventures, family moments, or casual flying, this drone combines portability, safety, and creative freedom. Number 5. SKYLINE Extend K100 Max Mini Drone. SKYLINE Extends K100 Max is a lightweight mini drone, just 36G, designed for kids and beginners. Equipped with a 720p HD camera, it streams live video to the controller and supports SD card storage. Manual lens adjustment lets you frame shots easily. One-button takeoff/landing and headless mode simplify operation, while 360 degrees flips add excitement. Built-in LED lights make it perfect for night flights, glowing like a UFO in the dark. Blade guards protect propellers during crashes, and upgraded motors enhance durability. Compact and easy to carry, it's a fun, safe way to explore drone flying for younger users. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.